The most common type of digital image is a bitmap, a raster image. It's made out of elements, pixels. These pixels are in a grid and each have a color. When there are enough pixels next to each other, it creates an illusion of an image. A common way how a digital image comes to be is a digital camera. The sensor of a digital camera is made out of pixels. These pixels recognize the color coming into them and change this information into a digital form. This digital image can be edited with a computer. And we can see the image on the screen of a computer, which is also a bitmap. The computer screen is made out of pixels that emit a colored light. This is how we see the image on the screen. If you look at your screen close enough, you can see that it's made out of these squares in a grid. The computer cares how many pixels there are and which color each of them is. The computer doesn't have to think about how big each of the pixels are. The more you have pixels, the more defined the image is. This example is 30 pixels wide and 30 pixels high. Altogether 900 pixels. The quality of the image isn't that good. On this example, you can easily see how the pixels form the image. This other example is 900 pixels wide and 900 pixels high. These add up to almost a million pixels. It's quite hard to tell a pixel from another. If we want to have a photo quality image, we need a lot of pixels. Inside a photo editing software, we can easily examine an image even pixel by pixel. We just need to zoom in. The computer knows how to show these pixels in different sizes on the screen. The most important thing about a digital image is the amount of pixels, the image size or pixel dimensions. So, what sizes of images there are? In our examples, the other image was only 30 times 30 pixels and the other 900 times 900 pixels. The amount of pixels in computer screens also vary. One standard for computer screens is 1920 pixels wide, 1200 pixels high. A full HD screen is the same width but a bit lower. There are also screens with more pixels. The next size is over 2500 pixels wide. Modern screens can have even larger amounts of pixels. The amount of pixels in this video is 1920 times 1080. The 900 pixel image is almost as high as this video. The amount of pixels a digital camera can save is defined by its sensor. Normally these are in the range 5000 times 4000 pixels. This multiplies to 20 million pixels, which can be called 20 megapixels. If I want to see this sized image on a computer screen, I cannot see all of the pixels at once. My options are only to see a part of the image or scale to image to be smaller. In this case, I cannot see each of the pixels. I only see every other or every third of the pixels. This means that I cannot tell what size an image is when I see it on the computer screen. I need more information to tell what size the image is. On this course, the most important thing is to realize that we need thousands of pixels, not hundreds.